So here's our little chickens. They're doing really good. They're growing really big. And they really don't like people. Not too much. Not yet. You can see they still have some feathers to grow in on their heads. So they're still growing. And then we have our big girls. And here's the big girls. And they don't know what to make of the little ones yet. They don't know if they like them. So that's everybody. And down that way is where the cows live. Down in that little building down there. And they're doing good too. So here's Mr. T. He's a boy. And there's Annabelle, and she's a girl. And Annabelle and Mr. T live together in this building. Oh, Mr. T is he's relieving himself. He does that wherever he wants. Because he can. So they just had breakfast. And they're just ready to take a nap for most of the morning. And then they'll go play in the field. Hey Annabelle, how you doing?